Today we are looking at a major renovation project here on Shore Drive of South Padre Island. This existing beach home is adding an elevator, a gas cooktop, and having other updates done. If you've ever wondered what goes into installing an elevator into a home and why it's worth it, stick around. Let's dive into the process together. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, we talk about the real estate on South Padre Island. Let's go jump into today's adventure. Adding an elevator can be an extensive renovation project and involve multiple steps. So let's break it down. You've got your demo phase where you remove the framing in the renovation areas, saw cut the foundation for the elevator location, and dig out the required depth. You have your foundation work, forming the new elevator pit, installing the rebar, and pouring concrete according to the plans. In this project, the HVAC system needs to be redirected because the air conditioner unit had to be moved over to a closet across the hall for the elevator to go where it needed to. Other renovations in this home include installing new cabinets and switching the kitchen electric stove out for a gas cooktop. Updating doors, hardware, shutters, there was a whole lot that they chose to do. So it's a lot of work to put in an elevator, but the results will truly transform this home. Now let's talk about cost. A project like this isn't small, but it can be life-changing and add significant value to your home. It's so much easier to throw your groceries in the elevator than carrying them up 3 flights of stairs. Yes, a lot of the beach homes have kitchens on the 3rd floor because the views are fabulous. To install an elevator to this existing 3-story home and renovate the floor plan for the elevator to fit in this home costs around $140,000. This includes everything from foundation work to framing and finishes. The cost, of course, depends on the type of elevator you choose. For this home, the owners opted for a full sliding door elevator. There are so many elevator styles you can go with, from basic or less expensive options all the way up to a luxury clear glass framed elevator. And those definitely can cost a pretty penny, but they are beautiful and offer a really fun elevator ride. As mentioned, in this renovation, the owners decided to also switch from an electric cooktop to a gas cooktop and do some updates to the cabinetry, the flooring, the outdoor shutters, and other improvements, adding on, let's say, another $60,000 to $70,000 in upgrades. If you're considering an elevator for a new build, you can save significantly by planning for it up front. You won't have to relocate air conditioning systems and tear down walls to put the elevator in. It will save you cost in the long run. So, why go through the effort of adding an elevator? Here are 4 big reasons. First of all, accessibility. An elevator opens the door, literally, for family members and guests who may have difficulty with stairs. It is a game changer for multi-generational homes. Rental appeal. If you plan to rent out your beach home, an elevator makes the property more attractive to a broader audience, including those who prefer convenience and accessibility. As an investor, you may be looking to market the property as a high-end vacation rental. Future-proofing. Thinking long-term, an elevator ensures your home works for you as you age, and it becomes a valuable legacy so you can pass it down to family members. And finally, adding value to resale. Elevators are often seen as a luxury feature, especially in upscale beach homes. They add a wow factor that sets your property apart from others on the market, making it more desirable and competitive. A home with an elevator is viewed as a premium property, allowing you to justify a higher asking price. It adds sophistication and modernizes the home. An elevator expands your buyer's market, making the home appealing to a wider demographic. In summary, if you are building a beach home with multiple levels, seriously consider including an elevator in your plans from the start. It's a smart investment, it adds functionality, and increases the value of your home. You want my 2 cents and you're constructing a beach home? Add an elevator. Resale is much easier, and clients ask me all the time if the home has an elevator. So whether you're renovating like the home we saw today or designing your own beach home from scratch, an elevator can elevate your lifestyle. Pun intended. If you're curious about home renovations, new construction tips, or the latest in beach living on South Padre Island, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Denise, signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.